implies periodic classification of elements or periodic table. Periodic table. So we all know that here in the periodic table about 118 elements. About 118 elements are placed. Okay, arranged in. If you take the modern periodic table, okay, modern periodic table, modern periodic table, which is in short called as LFPT. What is the meaning of LFPT? Long form of periodic table. Because with compared to Mendeleev periodic table, it contains the two groups extra. Okay, in the LFPT, okay, sorry, short form SFPT, short form of periodic table, which is constructed by Dmitry Mendeleev, okay, which is known as Mendeleev. So in the Mendeleev's periodic table, there are only 16 groups. Okay, there were only 16 groups, whereas in the modern periodic table, it is also known as long form of periodic table, in which 18 groups are there. How many groups? 18 groups. Okay, 18 groups are there, and as usual, 7 periods. As usual, 7 periods are there in the Mendeleev period also there, periodic table also there. Okay, so what was the two groups less in the Mendeleev periodic table? One is noble gases were not known at the time of Mendeleev. ఎప్పుడైతే Mendeleev, Dmitry Mendeleev periodic classification of elements చేశాడో అప్పుడు రెండు గ్రూప్స్ తక్కువ ఉన్నాయి, అందుకే 16 గ్రూప్స్ మాత్రమే ఉన్నాయి. అదే మోడర్న్ పీరియాడిక్ టేబుల్ అయితే, లాంగ్ ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ పీరియాడిక్ టేబుల్ అయితే 18 గ్రూప్స్ ఉన్నాయి. అవేంటివంటే తక్కువ గ్రూప్స్, ఒకటి జీరో గ్రూప్. అంటే at the time of Mendeleev's classification there were no, okay, there were no noble gases. అంటే noble gases తెలియదు. They were in atmospheric air but present in the low quantity. Okay, that's what the zero group element or noble gases, or you can say inert gases, or you can say they are what? Rare gases. Rare means less available. So their zero group is not known. And in the Mendeleev, in present long form periodic table, you find 1b group. In 1b group you have ladies group. Okay, that is 1b means ladies group. Ladies ఎందుకు? నాలాంటి లేడీస్. ఓకే, నాకు ఏమంటే ఇష్టం చెప్పండి? లేడీస్ కి ఏమంటే ఇష్టము? బట్టలు, జ్యువెలరీ అంటే చాలా ఇష్టం, గోల్డ్. ఓకే, సో ఇన్ ది 1b group, what is that? Copper, okay, silver, okay, gold. These elements are there. So it is what? Ladies ki money, gold, బట్టలు అంటే చాలా ఇష్టం, వంట చేయడం ఇష్టము. Okay, so like that the 1b group, which is known as ornamental group or coinage, which is used to make the jewelry and coins. So this 1b group was kept along with the was kept along with the 1a. అంటే 1a తో పాటు 1b కలిపి పెట్టారు కాబట్టి ఈ 1b group నీకు అక్కడ కనిపించదు. So this is one of the drawback of Mendeleev periodic table. Okay, so since the two groups are less in the Mendeleev periodic table, which is known as short form of periodic table. Now, so see, in the modern periodic table, which is having the 18 groups and 7 periods. Okay, since two groups are more, called as long form of periodic table. Now, just to tell me, what is the periodic law for the modern periodic table? What is the law for the modern periodic table? So see here, the modern periodic table. The modern periodic table, this may be, okay, is based on modern periodic law. It is based on modern periodic law. Here it is thought that in modern periodic table, the physical and chemical properties, of elements are periodic functions of their atomic number and electronic configuration. What is modern periodic law? The physical and chemical properties, please listen, physical and chemical properties of elements or periodic functions of, సరిగా కూర్చోండి నిద్రపోవద్దు, lay, bed lunch lay. Okay. According to modern periodic law, the physical and chemical properties of elements or periodic functions of their atomic number and and electronic configuration. So means what? Simply the modern periodic table is based on electronic configuration. Is based on electronic configuration. And before this, what was that? What was that? Moseley's periodic table. Okay, Moseley's periodic table, which is based on Moseley's periodic law. Okay, and he thought that the chemical and physical properties of elements are periodic functions of its atomic number. Atomic number. But atomic number means protons. Atomic number means protons. But in chemical properties, chemical behavior, protons do not have any role. So therefore, the Moseley's periodic table is converted to what is modern periodic table by in terms of electronic configuration. Okay, by in terms of electronic configuration. And before this, Moseley, what was that? Mendeleev. Okay, Mendeleev, we just now, okay, revise that. What is that? Mendeleev periodic table is based on Mendeleev periodic law. That is, the chemical and physical properties of elements are periodic functions of the atomic weight of the element. Atomic weight of the element means before this Moseley, everyone means Dobor inner triads. Okay, take the Dobor inner triads, Newland's octaves, or maybe okay, Lothar Beer curves. These were made. Okay, these were based on the atomic weight of elements. Atomic weight of elements, but atomic number and atomic weight means neutrons, protons do not affect any chemical behavior. So in modern periodic table, the periodic table is based on modern periodic law, which is okay, which is based on modern periodic law, which is based on electronic configuration, electronic configuration and atomic number. Why? Because the chemical properties are periodic functions of their electronic configuration. So here see 18 groups are there. 18 groups and all these are vertical columns. All these are vertical columns. Vertical columns means they are top to bottom. They are top to bottom. And one thing remember, in a group, okay, in a group, always as you move from top to bottom, see here, in a group, as you move from top to bottom, atomic number, okay, top to bottom, first element to last element. As you come down, what happens? In a group, atomic number increases. As atomic number increases, number of electrons increases. Okay, number of electrons increases. As number of electrons increases, principal quantum number means n value for each next element increases. As each for each next element principal quantum number value n value increases, then what happens? Atomic size, is that clear? Atomic size increases. Okay, and atomic size increases. Tell me better, what happens as atomic size increases? What happens? The distance between the, see here, in the first atom, distance between the nucleus to last electron is atomic radius. In the large atom also, the distance between the center of nucleus to the outermost electron, it is last electron, is radius. And the twice of atomic radius, this is radius, other side also radius. The radius, okay, twice of radius is atomic size. So top to bottom, okay, top to bottom, atomic size increases, means atomic radius increases, means the distance between the protons and nucleus and electrons increases, means the nuclear attraction over the electron top to bottom decreases as atomic size or distance increases. So everything comes here. So in a group top to bottom, What happens, beta? Nuclear charge over the outermost electrons decreases. So based on this in a group, okay, based on this group, what happens as nuclear charge? So what is nuclear charge? It is the positive charge, or you can say it is centripetal force. Okay, it's a centripetal force like a mother. ఓకే మన ఫ్యామిలీలో మన పేరెంట్ వింటున్నారా మన పేరెంట్ మనల్ని ఓకే మనని కాకుండా సరే మీ ఫ్యామిలీలో మీ మదర్ కానీ మీ ఫాదర్ కానీ మీ పేరెంట్ వచ్చేసింది న్యూక్లియస్ వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తారు మిమ్మల్ని కంటికి కాపాడుకుంటూ ఉంటారు మీకు ఎలాంటి రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్ ఉన్నా ఫుడ్ కానీ బట్టలు కానీ చదువు కానీ నువ్వేం అడిగితే అది ఇస్తారు సమ్ టైమ్స్ నువ్వు రాంగ్ వస్తువులు అడిగితే వద్దు అని చెప్తారు కూడా ఇస్ దట్ క్లియర్ అంటే పిల్లలకి 100% ఒక ప్రొటెక్షన్ ఒక భరోసా అంటూ ఇస్తారు ఇస్ దట్ క్లియర్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ సమ్ అట్రాక్షన్ లవ్ సో ఇన్ ద సేమ్ వే లిసన్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ ఇన్ ద సేమ్ వే in an atom the nucleus okay the nucleus flows what is that positive charge and this positive charge always try to protect all the electrons that is called nuclear attraction so this nuclear charge will be present on all the electrons inner electrons and outer electrons also okay but as top to bottom in a group as distance increases on the outermost electron this nuclear charge is less so in many classes I told that if in a family okay if in a family a mother is having the three children the smallest one the youngest one always will be close to the mother అంటే మరీ చిన్నగా ఉన్నాడు అనుకోండి ఇంట్లోనే ఉంటాడు తల్లి చెప్పినట్టు వింటాడు అని తల్లి ఎలా చెప్తే ఏం తినమంటే తింటాడు లేకపోతే పిల్లాడు ఏం కావాలంటే ఆ తల్లి దానికి కావాల్సింది చేసి పెడుతుంది సమ్ టైమ్స్ ఒళ్ళో ఎత్తుకొని తిరుగుతుంది కూడా అదే మిడిల్ అనుకోండి మిడిల్ వన్ ఏంది వాడు స్కూల్ కో కాలేజ్ కో వెళ్తుంటాడు కాబట్టి ఇంట్లోనంత వరకు ఏంటంటే రాముల్లా ఉంటాడు బయటికి వెళ్తే కృష్ణుల్లా ఉంటాడు అదే ఇంకా పెద్దోడు అనుకోండి అతను జాబ్ చేస్తున్నాడు బయటికి వెళ్ళేసి లేదా ఫారెన్ లో అనుకోండి అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాడు ఆల్మోస్ట్ 100% కృష్ణుల్లా ఉంటాడు అంటే అమ్మతో ఫోన్ లో ఏదో ఒకటి చెప్పేస్తాడు కానీ తనకి ఇష్టం వచ్చింది చేసుకుంటాడు మీన్స్ ద మదర్ హ్యాస్ control over smallest kid not on the what is the eldest one so as the elder one is large atom so on the last electron in the large atom nuclear charge is less but in the small atom in the outermost outermost shell electron the nuclear charge is more so in small atoms the nuclear charge is more on the outermost electron means in small atoms the outermost electrons are held strongly whereas in the large atom the outermost electrons are loosely held so here I'll write outermost so as nuclear charge down the group decreases outermost electrons will become loose they will become loose so now as it is loose electrons it is easy to remove the electron and you all know that to remove the electron from the any of the neutral atom we have to put some energy to remove the electron from the neutral gaseous atom what is that energy required ionization potential so in a group top to bottom as atomic size increases listen all of you in a group top to bottom as atomic size increases nuclear charge or the outermost electron decreases so IP values decreases means the small atoms to lose electron to get ionized okay they require more amount of energy because of more nuclear charge more strongly held by the nucleus whereas the bottom element that is large atom is having large size because of large size the outermost electrons are away to the nucleus so loosely bound to remove such electrons you required less energy because the whatever IP value ionization potential value is there that is used to break the attraction between the nucleus and electron and just now we have seen that in photoelectric effect okay in photoelectric effect when metals lose electron means undergoes ionization So larger the size of metal, less is the incident light. They have more tendency to lose electron. So in a group top to bottom, what happens? IP value decreases. And next consider one more, electronegativity. What is electronegativity, beta? What is electronegativity? Tell me. Electronegativity means the tendency of an atom. The tendency of an atom or element. The tendency of an atom or element. Okay. Now see here. The tendency of an element. So see here. Now I have a green ball. Okay. The tendency, it is tendency. Electronegativity means tendency. Now in my hand, I have a green ball. Okay. Now I have taken the one more ball, white. Which is bigger one? ఏది పెద్దగా ఉంది? ఏది పెద్దగా ఉంది? Green is big one. Okay. Big one. Okay. Green is large one. So what is more in green ball? Size is more. Size is more. But due to more size, the nuclear charge over the outermost electron is less. So therefore, its size is more, but nuclear charge is less. Means its outermost electrons are loosely held. Loosely held. But in the small atom, size is small, but at the outermost shell, on the outermost shell electron also, the nuclear charge is more. So here see, when this large atom and small atom, will be in a bond. What is that bond? Covalent bond. What is that bond? Covalent bond. Means this green gives one electron and this white gives one electron. And my children, you all know that a covalent bond means two electrons. Each atom or each element equally donates one electron and equally shares. And such bond is called as mutual sharing. What is that bond called? It is called as a covalent bond. So now say it's a covalent bond between the green and white. But here, due to the small size, what happens? This small atom is having the more nuclear charge. What is more nuclear charge? More positive charge. Because of small size, this small atom has a more nuclear charge over its outermost shell. So that more nuclear charge is enough to attract its bonding electron. And take a చూడండి, this corner indicates valence electron of white, and this other corner, okay, this one, okay, which is towards the green, this indicates the valence electron of green. But here the small atom, due to the small size, more nuclear charge, it is having the enough అంటే సరిపోను. This will not only attract its own electron but also the electron of green. So what happens? This small atom has a tendency, or ease to attract the both complete electrons towards itself. So ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది? The bond is with white but not with the green. So what happens? Due to small size, this white element is attracting the total bond pair towards itself. So who is gaining electron, beta? White or green? White. The small atom, the white is small, so the white, a small atom, because of small size, more nuclear charge, it has more tendency to attract the shared pair electron towards itself. So this white is gaining its own electron along with the bonded atom electron. So this green is lost electron. By loss of electron, positive charge. Then white is gaining electron. By gaining of electron, negative charge. So here what is happening? The small atom is gaining electron by attracting electron. So the tendency of an element due to small size, more nuclear charge, if they have a tendency to attract the covalently bond pair electrons towards itself, is called electronegativity. electronegativity. And I hope know that what is the element, most electronegative element in whole periodic table? Fluorine. Very good, beta. Very good. Okay, what is the value? 4. Okay, what is the value? 4. In its spelling itself, if you remove the line, FLUORINE, if you remove the line, you will get 4. So the most electronegative element is fluorine. Next oxygen. Next chlorine. And equal to nitrogen. Okay. So here the fluorine is having most electronegative element in periodic table. So which is a property of small atom. So this small atom by gaining of electron become what? Negatively charged. So tendency of an element to attract the bond pair towards itself and get a negative charge is called electronegativity. Then what about this one? This is because of large size. This is because of large size has tendency to lose electron. వింటున్నారా? ఈవిడ గారు ఈ white ball, white element due to small atom gaining electron and the large atom due to large size losing electron. So this small one gets negative charge, electronegative, and large one losing electron gets positive charge. So small is electronegative, large is electropositive. And the small atoms which have a tendency to gain electron and get negative charge is called electronegativity. Itself is called halo. Itself is called non-metallic nature. Itself is called as non-metallic nature. And of course, you people all know that. What is that? Always non-metals. Always non-metal oxides are very good. I want answer. Always non-metal element oxides are, you take one non-metal, sulfur, sulfur oxide, sulfur dioxide, sulfur trioxide, chlorine oxide, nitrogen oxide. Okay, acidic in nature, acidic in nature. So smaller this size, acidic in nature, because small atoms, small elements get negative charge by attracting electron. Okay, they are non-metal, and non-metals always form acidic oxides, acidic compounds. So if you take example, oxides of nitrogen, phosphorus, chlorine, okay, chlorine, nitrogen, when these are dissolved in water, they produce as acidic solution whose pH will be, Chapali, whose pH will be less or more, whose pH will be less or more than the 7, less than 7. So means what? See here, non-metals are acidic in nature, non-metals are electronegative. Okay, then small elements are acidic in nature, small elements are non-metallic in nature, small elements are electronegative. And where these are present, at the top or bottom? Chapali, the small element in a group present at top or bottom? Top. Okay, and the large atom present at bottom. Large atom has tendency to lose electron. By loss of electron gets positive charge, electropositivity, which is called metallic nature. Metallic nature. And always metal oxides on dissolution in water gives a base. Sodium oxide, Na2O plus water. ఏమొస్తుంది? రాసుకో ఫార్ములా తొందరగా. ఈక్వేషన్ Na2O plus H2O, 2NaOH, Na2O plus H2O, 2NaOH, base. Next, magnesium metal, MgO plus H2O, MgOH taken twice. Yes or not? So the small atoms present at the top, the small atom of a group always acidic in nature, non-metallic, electronegative, where large atom will be at bottom. Okay, what is that? Basic in nature, electropositive. Okay, electropositive, basic in nature. So ఇప్పుడు ఈ ప్రాపర్టీ రాసేద్దాం ఇక్కడ మనము. So top to bottom, what is happening? IP value decreases. సో ఇక్కడ నేను మూడు కలిపేసి రాస్తాను. ఓకే, నాన్ మెటాలిక్ నేచర్ నథింగ్ బట్ electronegativity, and because of this electronegativity, non-metallic nature, the compounds will be means their acids, okay, or their oxides will be acidic in nature. So tell me, in a group top to bottom, what happens? Electronegativity, non-metallic nature, acidic nature, increase or decrease? Increase or decrease? See, this is group. The top is small, bottom is large. What is that happening? Decreases. Okay, decreases. Okay, then what increases? Reverse rasko. Acidic is reverse basic. Okay, down the group, basic nature increases. Basic nature means metallic nature, means electropositivity. So down the group, what happens? Basic nature increases. And here see one thing, ఇది దేనికి వస్తుంది మనకి? periodicity, periodic properties వస్తుంది. So in a group, these properties change in this way. And electronegativity, it is tendency to attract the electron pair when it is bonded. At the same time, electronegative element is having the more electron affinity. So means free ga unnappudu electron gain chese capacity. Okay, an element in its free state takes the electron and release or absorb some energy. That is called electron affinity or electron gain enthalpy. So top to bottom, in a group, as atomic size increases, electron affinity also decreases. Okay, whereas these properties will be quite reverse in the period. But in a group, one thing is constant. What is that? In a group, yes, very good. Valency remains constant. Is that clear? In a group, valency remains constant because all the group elements have valence electrons equal to group number. Ante kada? First group, 1 electron. All the first group elements can lose how many electrons? 1. All the second group elements have 2 electrons, can lose 2 electrons. Third group elements, 3 electrons. Fourth group elements, 4 electrons. Fifth group elements all have 5 electrons. So their combining capacity is 5. Then sixth group elements, 6. So all may gain 2 electrons or all may use 6 electrons. Seventh group elements have 7 electrons. So they may gain 1 electron to form -1. Okay, all form -1. And all may use their 7 electrons to form 7 bonds. For some exceptions like carbon, okay, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, fluorine. Okay, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. Okay, these elements cannot form more than the group number bonds, where fluorine can form only 1 bond due to absence of vacant 2d orbitals. Asal vacant 2d ledu. And nitrogen cannot form 5 bonds. Because absence of vacant 2d orbitals. Then oxygen cannot form 4 bonds. Very forcibly forms 3 bonds, but generally 2 bonds due to absence of vacant 2d. Okay, understand? And carbon can form only 4 bonds. It cannot form 5 bonds because of only 4 orbitals, 2s and 3p orbitals. No 2d orbital. Is that clear? So the valency in a group remains constant, but in a period left to right, from first group to fourth group, valency increases from 1 to 4, then gradually decreases. Okay, this is, then I'll start once again. Enduko malli they vachindi ikkada. Okay na? So 5 minutes చేస్తుంది. See better, I'll write here. So see, in the group, फटाफट ఒక టేబుల్ వేద్దామా? Okay, now here group. and this is a period. Period. P for period. Now take the first property. Okay. First property. What is that? Group lo period leskunnamu. Atomic size. AS. In a group, patapat naku cheppali. Increase at I. In a group, atomic size increases. Arrow up. Then nuclear charge decreases. Then IP value in a group decreases. The next, electron affinity in a group decreases because nuclear charge decreases. Electron negativity in a group decreases because nuclear charge decreases. These three properties depends upon the directly depends upon the nuclear charge. Next, in a group, non-metallic nature decreases and metallic nature increases because top to bottom size in a group increases. Then acidic nature decreases, basic nature increases. Okay, then valency constant. Then period reverse. Okay, in a period, atomic size decreases, nuclear charge increases. Then IP value in a period increases. Then electron affinity increases. Okay, and next, electronegativity increases, non-metallic nature increases, then metallic nature decreases, acidic nature increases, basic nature decreases. Then valency first increase and then decrease. Antena దీన్నే మాటలో రాయాలి, అర్థమైందా? But here if you see the star mark, if you see the IP values, okay, if you see the IP values, the nitrogen IP is more than IP of oxygen. Why? Because 2p is half filled, more stable according to Hund's rule. Where oxygen 2p4 means in the nitrogen you are removing the 2p3 electron which is in half filled configuration, which is more stable. And in the case of beryllium has more IP than boron. Why? Because in beryllium you remove electron from 2s2 which is spin paired s orbital. Okay, s orbital has more penetrating power and paired up electrons, completely filled. Whereas in the boron you remove the 2p1 incompletely filled and penetrating power of p is less than the s. అర్థమైందా? ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు వస్తున్నా మళ్ళీ సెకండ్ లో వస్తున్నాను, సరేనా? ఓకే, దెన్ ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ది ఎలక్ట్రాన్ గెయిన్ ఎంథాల్పీ అవన్నీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తా ఇప్పుడు, సరేనమ్మా?